Alright, see the private jet over there? It's about to take off from Easton Airport here on the eastern shore of Maryland. This private jet probably belongs to a millionaire here in the area. There are too many millionaires in this area in Easton. They have vacation home over here, so they just come here at the weekend to hang out, to do some boating, some fishing, and then go back to their primary residence, probably Miami or New York. All right.